Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia and I'm back with another hair review. This hair is brought to you guys from MyFirstWig. This is my second time doing a review for them. My first review was that short pixie cut that you guys absolutely love. So I'm back to review another one of their units. This one is their 20-inch silky textured hair. And I actually put this up to the test and see if I can reinstall this hair without zero, and I mean zero customizations. Let's see if it held up to the test right after the break. Okay dolls, let's jump right into this. Inside the box you will have a wig cap as well as an elastic band, some bobby pins, some hair clips, and a rat tail comb. They also include a portable wig stand and a carrying case for your unit. Now this is a 360 full lace wig, which means the part in space goes all the way to the back and you can wear it up in a ponytail. There are two combs on the side and one in the back, along with an adjustable elastic strap. I went ahead and sewed on the elastic band so that the wig will fit nice and snug. As you can see, this hairline does come pre-plucked, and my first impressions is that it looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off of this unit. You want to cut really close to the hairline without cutting the hair. After trying on the wig again, I decided to wash the wig. I'll explain why in greater details later in this video. So I went ahead and I washed the wig and I put it on my mannequin head so I can adjust the parting. I'm not one for a middle part, so I decided to go for a side part. I applied some mousse to the unit to help shape the hair and began laying the baby hairs. In my opinion, it's a lot easier to lay your baby hairs while the hair is wet, and I'm using this baby hair brush. You can also use a toothbrush, and you want to just brush the hair down away from the hairline and then push it back. When I was done, I used a wrap strip to hold the hair in place. Then I took one of my clips to create a bump on top. After the hair dried, I went over that bump with a flat iron to loosen it out. And then I used the back of the flat iron to flatten the hair around the part. And now the wig is ready to be installed. Initially, I tried the wig on to get an idea of where I should apply my face powder. And then I realized the face powder wasn't even needed. To my surprise, the hairline was already looking natural. I think it looks good enough just the way it is. So this is what the hair looks like after it's been washed. Let me let you see what the ends look like. It's like a really soft wave, very slight, mostly almost straight. I think I'm gonna throw some curls in it and then I'll be right back with my final thoughts. Let me show you what the back looks like. So dolls, I just went ahead and added a few soft curls to this. But again, this is totally optional. I really just did that because I have so much time. And this has really set the record for the fastest wig install since I've been doing my channel. You guys have no idea how much work I'll be putting in behind the scenes as I'm filming to make these units look good. I can honestly say I am really impressed with the results. Have not customized this wig at all, and it is popping on its own. MyFirstWigs, I really think they are a perfect wig for the beginning wig wearer. They take care of all the stuff that you, as a beginner, you may not feel comfortable with doing. And as you can see, you can still slay with a beginner's wig. I just recommend following the steps that I did at the beginning in the video. I highly recommend washing this hair because when I received it, this hair did have a smell to it. I had to wash it. I have a very sensitive nose, so it did have a smell to it. So I highly recommend washing it and then setting your baby hairs, if you like baby hairs, with I recommend this Lotta Body mousse. It's really good. It doesn't make your hair hard. I tried the Cream of Nature mousse in it. I didn't really like it because it made your hair hard. This Lotta Body don't make your hair hard. And if it does stiffen it up, as soon as you put your hand through it, it loosens right up. And if you follow that method, you won't have to do anything. Y'all see, I didn't even do my bowl cap. I literally just put the stocking cap on, put this wig on. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't pluck the hairline. And I'm still slaying. What? Let's give it up for MyFirstWigs. I'm really feeling them. They are one of my favorite vendors. I'm not gonna lie. That's why I worked with them again. I've had other vendors who asked me to work with them again, but if I didn't like the hair, I just won't do it. So if you see me work with a vendor repeatedly, that means that I really do believe in the quality of their wigs. I'm not getting any shedding with this unit, and I'm not experiencing any tangling either. And guys, what do y'all think about this dark lipstick that I tried on? I don't typically do dark lipstick. I like to stick to my nude, but I'm trying something new. I do have a lot of different ideas that I want to start bringing to my channel. I feel like I'm kind of getting caught into only doing wig review box, and I'm just so much more than just wig reviews. I have so much more to offer. I hope you guys join me for the ride. I have some really good ideas, especially for the top of the year. I have something that I believe actually would change your life as well as my life as well. I hope you tune in for that. I'm really excited with the direction my channel is going. I'm really thankful for all the love that you guys show me. I really appreciate it. I can't thank you guys enough. And just stay tuned. I got a whole lot more in store. So dolls, for the wig that I reviewed last week, I did choose a name, and the comment and the name of the wig last week will be provided right here. So thank you guys for submitting all your suggestions, and you know what time it is. It's time to name this wig. This is my first wig, the Easy Slay wig. What are we gonna call this wig? Y'all already know the routine. Go ahead and leave your suggestions in the comment section down below. If this is your first time visiting my channel and you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join the family. We're family around here. And make sure you hit your notification bell as well so that you know when I'm uploading my videos. And as always, important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.